Welcome to our guide on rustic farmhouse design ideas, where charm meets comfort in the most inviting way. If you're drawn to the warmth of weathered wood, vintage-inspired details, and a cozy, timeless aesthetic, this video is for you. Rustic farmhouse design isn't just about decorating, it's about creating a space that feels like home, blending natural elements with a touch of nostalgia. Today, we'll explore 4 key aspects that bring the rustic farmhouse look to life, from material choices to decorative elements, all while maintaining an inviting, down-to-earth feel. Let's dive into these inspiring ideas and discover how to bring rustic farmhouse beauty into your home. One of the defining characteristics of rustic farmhouse design is the thoughtful use of materials. It's all about incorporating natural textures that feel warm, lived in, and effortlessly charming. The foundation of this aesthetic starts with wood, often reclaimed or distressed to enhance its raw, organic appeal. Whether on walls, floors, or exposed beams, wood instantly brings warmth to a space. To complement this, stone or brick accents introduce a sense of history, grounding the design with a timeless quality. Woven textures also play a significant role, from soft, hand-woven textiles to rattan and wicker details that add depth and contrast. Combining rough and smooth surfaces creates a balanced and inviting atmosphere. Another key element is aged finishes. Patinaed metals, weathered paint, and unfinished surfaces help to create a well-loved, lived-in look. The beauty of rustic farmhouse design lies in imperfection. Every knot in the wood, every crack in the stone, tells a story. For an extra layer of coziness, consider soft linens, chunky knit throws, and hand-stitched fabrics that add warmth to the space. These elements create the perfect blend of rugged and refined, a hallmark of the rustic farmhouse style. The key to achieving a cohesive look is layering. Different materials should work together harmoniously to create a rich, textural experience. Think about incorporating aged leather, vintage fabrics, and repurposed wood to enhance the authenticity of your farmhouse aesthetic. Rustic farmhouse style also embraces repurposed and salvaged materials. Old barn wood, reclaimed architectural elements, and vintage fixtures can give a space a sense of history and charm. The goal is to make everything feel curated and intentional rather than overly polished. When working with textures and materials, it's essential to maintain a balance between functionality and aesthetics. Each piece should contribute to the overall warmth and lived-in feel while serving a practical purpose. Love the cozy charm of rustic farmhouse decor? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow decor lovers. Color plays a vital role in shaping the mood of a rustic farmhouse home. A neutral palette is key, providing a soothing backdrop that allows textures and architectural details to shine. Think of soft whites, warm beiges, muted grays, and earthy tones that create a sense of warmth and tranquility. A subtle touch of pastels or muted blues and greens can introduce character without overwhelming the space. These hues add a soft, vintage-inspired charm that enhances the rustic feel. Lighting is just as important. It should be warm, inviting, and layered. Incorporating pendant lights with metal finishes, soft glowing wall sconces, and table lamps with linen shades creates a relaxed and cozy environment. Natural light should be maximized whenever possible. Light, airy curtains or sheer fabrics allow the sunlight to filter through, enhancing the cozy yet open atmosphere of a farmhouse space. For evening ambience, consider the warm glow of candles or lantern-style lighting for that extra touch of rustic charm. Layering light sources is essential for creating depth and warmth in a room. A combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting can help highlight key architectural elements while maintaining a comfortable glow. To keep the rustic farmhouse feel consistent, opt for vintage-inspired lighting fixtures, such as wrought iron chandeliers, mason jar pendants, or weathered metal sconces. These small details can have a big impact on the overall atmosphere. Dimmer switches can be a great addition, allowing you to adjust the intensity of lighting to suit different moods and occasions. A well-lit space should feel intimate and inviting rather than harsh or overly bright. Which farmhouse decor idea is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Decor plays a major role in bringing rustic farmhouse charm to life. The key is to strike a balance between vintage and minimal, ensuring the space feels both curated and cozy. Handcrafted items like ceramic vases, distressed picture frames, and woven baskets enhance the authenticity of the style. Repurposed decor, such as reclaimed wood signs or antique-inspired details, adds a nostalgic touch. Layering is essential. Think soft rugs over hardwood floors, delicate lace or linen runners, and a mix of metal, wood, and glass accents. This mix of materials keeps the space visually interesting while maintaining harmony. Botanicals also add life to the space. Dried flowers, eucalyptus, or fresh potted greenery bring in a natural element, reinforcing the organic feel of rustic farmhouse interiors. Rustic farmhouse decor often features personal and meaningful touches, such as vintage books, heirloom pieces, and handmade crafts that reflect the homeowner's personality. Mixing old with new is a key principle. Pairing antique finds with contemporary elements ensures the space feels fresh rather than outdated. Want more home decor inspiration? Subscribe now for the latest rustic and farmhouse decor ideas. Architectural details are what truly define the rustic farmhouse aesthetic. Exposed wooden beams instantly create a sense of history and warmth, making the space feel grounded in tradition. Shiplap or reclaimed wood paneling adds texture and charm to walls, giving that signature farmhouse feel. Barn-style sliding doors are not only functional but also serve as a stunning design feature. Their rustic character adds authenticity and a touch of nostalgia to the home. Another detail to consider is open shelving, perfect for displaying farmhouse-inspired decor while maintaining a practical, airy feel. Rustic trim and millwork further enhance the space, adding craftsmanship and depth to the design. Exposed brick walls, natural stone accents, and vintage hardware all contribute to the farmhouse charm, making the space feel welcoming and authentic. The beauty of rustic farmhouse design lies in its ability to blend old and new seamlessly. It's a celebration of craftsmanship, nostalgia, and comfort, all woven together to create a timeless space that feels truly like home. Rustic farmhouse design blends old and new beautifully. It's all about warmth, character, and comfort, creating a timeless space that truly feels like home. Natural materials like wood, stone, and metal bring authenticity, while neutral colors keep things soft and inviting. Weathered textures, cozy textiles, and vintage-inspired furniture add charm and personality. Simple, functional pieces and handcrafted details make every space feel welcoming. Whether it's a reclaimed wood table or a soft linen sofa, every element works together to create a relaxed, homey atmosphere. It's a style that never goes out of fashion, just pure comfort and charm.